Hey guys, welcome back to another aviation video. That was a very quick intro. Welcome back to the A320 and to the real video of my two clips that I posted. Oh, it's the light, the indicator light. I posted two clips of me island hopping. Me island hopping in this plane and the 737. So yeah, I figured we can do more like an actual video that doesn't really require island hopping. So yeah, join me in my live stream in a few months. I don't really know when. I'll announce it later. Island hopping in the 737 or A320, doesn't matter the aircraft. So yeah, hope you be there and we'll have fun together, I think. So we're in Portland International. That's why we're doing international airports. I just thought we could do it. So let's just land at the airport. There we go. Flaps are not down. But the parking brake is not on. And so, yeah. There we go. Oh, we're sinking. So yeah. Oh, we're pulling up. So, what I also like to do is when let's pause this for a little. As you can see, these are the lights, the runway lights. And at night, if we set it to night, which I actually want to do, let's do it at night. There are the lights. I actually didn't see them for a second. I hope you did. So let's land at Portland. There, one thing I don't really like about GeoFest, they don't show you the runway markings. Or yeah, they do, but the runway number, like runway 08R or 09R, 09 left at O'Hare. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, yeah, that's another bug. Very hard landing. Oh, I'm used to S as reverse thrust. I have to get that going. Yeah, so, oh, we touched down at the other end of the runway. Oh, so players are joining us. Yeah, so land at LAX now. Wait, is it LAX or SFO? I forgot. Oh, and LAX is one of the busiest airports in the world. Chicago O'Hare is the 6th busiest airport in the world. So land at LAX. You know what? First SFO. Asiana Airlines Flight 24. Dang it. Back here. That's another bug that well, not a bug, but maybe. They just bring you back to where you are. So if you don't hurry or click on something, yeah, it just resets you. And there we go. There we go. And let's land here. KSFO, San It's another. Oh, okay. Okay, they've come back, but not the runway lights, but some lights so I can actually see what the runway is. So yeah. So let's put the parking brake, and let's put this. No, this. There we go. Sorry for all the background noise. There we go. And if you're wondering where the gates are in this water airport, it's like a what the heck? What? Whatever. I'm just gonna have to land like this. I'm just kidding. There we go. And brakes are on maximum. Let's do this. Another glitch. I have to get an upgraded thing. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh no. Ooh. Shoot. Yeah. Please don't judge me of my hard landings. I really don't like the glitches. There we go. You know, and another cool place to also Planespot. Yeah. I was joking when I said international airports. Let's actually, I hate this thing. We did not put on the spoilers. Let's go to the, where is it? And my favorite plane, of course. In the whole world, no. I'm talking about the 747. Let's take it off from KSFO. Are gonna show up anytime soon, my favorite plane. Queen of the Skies. There we go. Oh! This is one of the bugs again. You just flip up. Are we at 100? Oh, we're barely 100 knots. We're not gonna make it. Oh, maybe we are. Maybe we are. Maybe we are. Okay. Let's get out of here. Yes, San Francisco is a international airport. But what I mean by that, it's a certified for 747 and A380. That's what I believe. You'll have to check Google for that. Stick around to the end of the video to find out. I forgot to put flaps. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, let's go to the aircraft carrier. Location, and on runway would be the USS John Stennis. Now, I really don't know how to be an ATC in this game, but you should stick around to the end of the video to know that as well. This is 37. Oh, United, I thought it was. Okay, on there. There we go. And let's not fall off. Let's not fall off. Oh my, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, wow. Oh my god. Ah, dude. That was very close. Something tells me that earlier today I was looking up how to be an ATC, and you can just park your plane somewhere and be ATC, but I don't know, how do people know you're ATC? Like, I don't even know how to change my name on GeoOffice. I don't know all the basics. I know the basics. Freak in there. There we go. Let's just watch some planes. We have a Twin Otter Canadian Air Force here. We also have an F-14 Tomcat parking. That is the slowest flyby. No, that's pretty fast, and it's crashed into the water. And he's back up here with an F-16 taking off in front of it. I really wish there was a way to get into the tower. Okay, there we go. Let's see this plane. I think it's another. Oh, it's a Pitts Special S1. That's one of those biplanes that you always see in some. Oh. Okay, then where's the carrier? Oh, here it is. With ours. Let's turn the engine off. Do we have sound? Start the engines. Oh, okay, we have sound. There we go. That's good. WestJet Airlines. Oh, I don't see a 737 of WestJet there. Oh, it's not. WestJet. Oh, yeah, as you can. Yep, here's WestJet. Whatever. Oh, that guy's dancing. Have someone to dance with you? So, yeah, while we're plane spotting here, or, yeah, maybe, I'd like you to comment down below, which plane do you think is the better, the Cargo Lux or the A380? Let me tell you why I like the 747 better. So, the last part is going to be pretty funny or something like that. So, as you all know, the Cargo Lux, the 747 has a massive wingspan of, yes, look all that up. This thing's still lagging. In formation about 747. Yeah, I know we're not plane spotting, but let's just see some information. Why I like the 747? Its shape. Let's see the 16 little facts. Yeah. The A380, the 747, sorry, was founded in 1960, 65, 60, I don't know. And it first flew in February 1969. Months before the Apollo 11 landed on the moon. That's Neil Armstrong, yeah. So, there's lots of cool stuff in 1969. That was because Neil Armstrong and his crew, Buzz Aldrin and that other guy, and the 747, and also Gap. If you don't know, the Gap is like that clothes store, usually found it in big malls and stuff. So back to the 747 versus A380. It flew in 1969. Those things are still here. And the A380, on the other hand, was founded in 2005. See the next fact. 2. So yeah, it had 2 aisles in the cabin. The A380, well, yeah, but I don't really get that. Being congested and fewer large aircraft would help Pan Am operate more efficiently. Well, I'm not talking about airlines here, so can you give me facts about the 747? Oh, yeah, okay. So yeah, what I liked about it, now we have the United 737, a Concorde, and a helicopter, and that fighter jet again. Farewell United, crash. Let's follow this guy. Oh yeah, he just crashed, and this F-16 just crashed. It's, what was that fact again? Yeah, I really forget things. What was it? Oh, yeah. It can be a passenger and, airliner. Here, let's say that, okay? The A380 can't do that. I mean, yeah, can't do that. Upper deck running. Running the entire length of the fuselage, because the plane couldn't safely be evacuated in the FAA mandated 9 seconds. The idea was thrown out. How dare you? How dare you? I don't want... Boeing didn't have a large facility large enough to build 747, so they had to construct a new assembly in Everett, Washington. The project timeline was so aggressive, the first 747 mock-up was built before the building's roof was finished. The plant is still the largest building by volume in the world. That's... I hate this website. Or... yeah, I still have... oh, we have a DC-10 and an MD-11. Mr. Butterland. Let's, oh. Do they have a flying... something here? Oh. Oh, my battery's charging? That's good. Oh. Shoot. What? Where are... oh, we've lost sight of the carrier. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll continue with more facts with you tomorrow, and that'll be a good night for today.